Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your expired ID on Binance in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, you want to log into your Binance account either through the app or the website. In this case, I'm using my phone. Then once you're inside the app, just look at the upper left corner of the screen. You want to tap on the hamburger icon, then choose your profile, then click on verifications. And this is where you manage your identity and security details. Keep in mind that this account isn't fully verified yet, but here's how it would look like once you are verified. From here, you want to tap on Update Identity, and when prompted, just select the reason for updating as expired document. And this tells Binance you're replacing your old ID. Then you want to upload a new valid ID and complete the verification process. Binance usually reviews your application within 1 to 3 days. So keep an eye on your email or notifications for updates. That's it. That's how you verify an expired ID on Binance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.